phone frame here. Hi! How's it going? Okay. Today, I need to do some yard work. And it's a beautiful day, so it's perfect. Hopefully I can film it, but it is already 11:30. Yeah. I couldn't fall asleep last night very easily. I didn't fall asleep until 1:30, which like for some people would be like, oh, it's like what I do every night, but for me, it's definitely not common. Yep. I think one thing that I'm just really have been struggling with for a long time is feeling like everything needs to be perfect, but at the same time, I feel like I don't, because like, if I was actually that much of a perfectionist, I would probably have a lot more shit done. But I still have that like energy, like I like want to have it done, and I just like stress the fuck out of myself. Anywho, to get started, there's like, I've been trimming some of these blackberry bushes because they're just invasive and like stretch on all over to our property. I gotta pee. Okay. I like this. Do you like these? These beautiful, very toxic flowers? I do. So today I am just kind of clearing some things out of this side yard, like I said. Yeah. And then maybe trim some other things up just because it's so fucking overgrown and just like, yeah. And I also might gather some dandelions before trimming those because there's just so many. And I want to make some tea and kind of use those things, you know? Not just cut them down. So yeah, that's kind of that's the goal today. These are the goals. Yeah, it's a beautiful fucking day. So grateful that it's just like sun shining and like, whoop. Feel good. I feel good. I feel great. Feel great. Yeah. I just want to inform you guys that I did in fact just eat my first thimbleberry of the season from my backyard, and it was fire. It was fucking fire. Okay, that's good enough for now.
I'm driving down an empty freeway, no waiting for the light to change. I'm seeing the sunrise behind me.
like looking at myself sometimes, 'cause I think I'm pretty. Just got back from my cousin Sophia's house in Tangent, Oregon, and it was super freaking awesome because she just got into her own house with her hubby, soon to be, and her little boy, Ethan, my nephew, so fucking cute. And my other best friend, Unity Powers. Yeah, that's her real name. That is legit her real name. I just need that, you know? Like, I need that more in my life. I have yet to find the people as cool as them, but maybe one day. Maybe they'll just remain the coolest people I know. I really don't know. Let's see. I didn't film any of it. No. I'm just so absorbed in whatever we're doing that I forget to film, really. I just forget to fucking film. Like, so I filmed a little bit of the, ride home. So I guess I'll insert some of those clips. One thing I can say about the baby, one little update I can give you is I felt a little something in my stomach, like a flutter of some sort, and I've never felt that before. So it was cute, you know? Besides like my belly being bigger, it was kind of like a little like, hey, I'm here, like an indication, like, yes, there's a baby in here. You know, it seems like with these videos that I'm not trying anymore, but I promise you that I am trying in my I'm not trying in a lot of ways, but I am trying. So they'll get better. They'll get better. I swear it. I swear they'll get better. Till then, see you next time. Bye.